Well, China and Egypt have decided to jointly donate 500,000 vaccine doses to Palestinians in the Gaza Strip. Egypt and the Chinese pharmaceutical company Sinovac Biotech had signed the agreement for production last December. Here are more details on the vaccine manufactured in Egypt.
Egypt takes a closer step towards officially releasing its domestically produced COVID-19 vaccine. Prime Minister Mustafa Madbouli announced a 50% completion of the nation's first 2 million doses of the Chinese Sinovac COVID-19 vaccine.
The magnitude of demand on the COVID-19 vaccines is immense. That made some of the companies we've contracted to supply us with the vaccines to be behind schedule. From day one, we eyed acquiring the ability of manufacturing the vaccine so that we won't be under any mercy of the global market. In that regard, I would like to thank the great friends, the People's Republic of China, for its full support in this domestic manufacturing.
The government vaccination arm, Vaxera, is currently producing the COVID-19 jab in Cairo. Its production line has the capacity of producing 300,000 doses daily. Madbouli says his government aims to produce 80 million doses of the vaccine before the year ends, instead of the initial plan of 40 million. Once completed, the new Vaxera complex will be able to add 3 million doses to Egypt's daily capacity to produce all kinds of vaccines. The agreement with China includes full transfer of technology for producing COVID-19 vaccines. That will include producing the raw biomaterial domestically in Egypt.
The beginning of local production of COVID-19 vaccines is a huge relief to the country. The nation's vaccination program has somewhat slowed down because of the global interruption in vaccine supply. This domestic achievement will help Egypt in its plan to vaccinate all education staff and at least 5 million students within the next 2 months before the new school year begins. Adil Mahroui, CGTN, Cairo.